Choosing the right replacement doors for your home in Fayetteville is an important decision that affects comfort, security, energy efficiency, and curb appeal. With so many styles, materials, and features available, it can feel overwhelming at first. The good news is that by focusing on a few key factors, you can confidently select replacement doors that fit your home's needs and your lifestyle. Start with your home's style and purpose before comparing products. Think about where the door will be installed and what role it plays. Entry doors make a strong first impression and should balance beauty with security. Patio doors often prioritize natural light and easy access to outdoor spaces. Interior replacement doors, while less exposed to weather, still contribute to the overall look and flow of your home. In Fayetteville neighborhoods with a mix of traditional and modern homes, it's important to choose doors that complement your existing architecture rather than clash with it. Choose the right door material. Door material has a major impact on durability, maintenance, and energy performance. Fiberglass doors are a popular choice in Fayetteville because they handle temperature changes well, resist warping, and offer excellent insulation. Steel doors provide strong security and are often more budget-friendly, making them ideal for homeowners focused on safety. Wood doors deliver timeless beauty and warmth, but they typically require more upkeep to protect against moisture and wear. Weigh how much maintenance you're comfortable with before deciding. Focus on energy efficiency. Energy efficiency is especially important when choosing replacement doors. A poorly insulated door can let conditioned air escape, raising energy bills and reducing indoor comfort. Look for doors with insulated cores, tight weather stripping, and quality seals. In Fayetteville's changing seasons, energy-efficient doors help keep your home cooler in summer and warmer in winter, while also reducing strain on your HVAC system. Don't overlook security features. Your doors are one of your home's first lines of defense. High-quality replacement doors should include reinforced frames, durable hinges, and secure locking systems. Multi-point locks and impact-resistant materials add extra peace of mind. Even if security isn't your main concern, these features increase the overall value and reliability of your investment. Consider customization options. One of the biggest advantages of modern replacement doors is customization. From glass inserts and sidelights to colors and hardware finishes, you can personalize your doors to match your taste. Decorative or frosted glass can bring in natural light without sacrificing privacy. Choosing the right details allows your replacement doors to feel like a natural extension of your home rather than a generic upgrade. Professional installation matters. Even the best replacement doors won't perform well if they aren't installed correctly. Professional installation ensures a proper fit, smooth operation, and effective sealing. Experienced installers in Fayetteville understand local building conditions and can identify potential issues before they become problems. This step protects your investment and ensures your doors look and function exactly as intended. Balance quality and budget. While it's tempting to focus on upfront cost, replacement doors are a long-term investment. Higher quality doors often last longer, perform better, and require fewer repairs over time. Set a realistic budget, then choose the best materials and features within that range. In many cases, spending a bit more upfront can save money in energy costs and maintenance down the road. Make a confident choice. Choosing the best replacement doors in Fayetteville comes down to understanding your home's needs and prioritizing quality, efficiency, and professional installation. When you take the time to evaluate your options carefully, you'll end up with doors that enhance your home's appearance, improve comfort, and provide lasting value for years to come.